And we're back with Vance.
Yeah, buddy. All right, today what we're doing, you can see his equipment pad that he has down here. See how it's all cracked? We're gonna take that out and put in a nice plastic pad.
Boom.
That conforms to the ground and doesn't crack. And those things last forever. I highly recommend them. Don't do concrete. The other little thing with this guy is this pump housing is cracked right up here. So I'm gonna replace this pump housing. And let's get working, huh? That's the benefit of having a cartridge filter. Is no backwashing, no DE, and all that crap. Gotta go potty. You can edit that. Probably should have done this over there. Now my workspace is all flooded.
Well, if anybody's seen Vance's first video, he kind of likes to perform underneath the water.
Yeah. I like the possibility of getting electrocuted.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
All right. While that's soaking into the ground, I'm gonna replace this pump housing.
And soak it into your shoes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I picked up some filter parts and some different things one time from
You gotta get the trusty knee pad, you know?
Need It.
This is pretty easy. We're just taking this old housing off and putting another one in. It's pretty simple. Plug and play.
So the motor's still good?
Yeah. I recommended to get a variable speed motor, but he wants to wait until this goes out, he said. That's done. So now I'm gonna move this out of the way.
New housing complete, pad complete.